welcome back. This is Rochelle from the DIY Affiliate on YouTube and the Secret YouTuber on TikTok. For the people who don't know me and are visiting my channel for the very first time, welcome. Are you looking for the easiest, quickest, and most cost-efficient way to create content for your social media? If that is what you are looking for, then you have arrived at the right channel and this is the right time. I have created over 200 video tutorials that are step-by-step that show you how you can create your first YouTube channel in 20 minutes. How you can create a WordPress on the computer and also using your cell phone. I share tips, tricks, and secrets all the time. That you may have, I probably have answered it in one of my videos. When you are creating your total online presence, in your social media you will be using different canvases. In this video, I am going to show you how to use the Inshot Editor and to create a 9x16 Facebook story. So stick around, I give you just the facts. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so you will be notified of the next video that I am posting on content marketing and social media. Let's jump in. You will find a link in the description that will take you to the Inshot Editor. Install the Inshot Editor, open it up. Inshot Video Editor free. Inshot is a powerful free HD video editor and photo editor with professional features. Add music, transition effects, text, emojis, and filters, blur, background, and etc. Easy to sync sound and video with timeline features. Facebook Stories use a video of 20 seconds in length, so you will choose video. Choose the plus sign. Choose the video that you would like to use. Shorten your video down to 20 seconds by using this sliding film roll located at the bottom of your screen. Here is your video length. Choose your best 20 seconds of your video. Tap on split. Delete the rest. Tap on canvas. Now tap on 9x16. Pinch to zoom in and zoom out. Place your video where you would like to see it on your canvas and choose the check mark. Music. Featured, My Music, or the effects, in which you can choose different effects simply by tapping into the effect. Choosing use. To voice record, choose the clip that you would like to record over. Make sure that you tap on the volume option. Use the slider to remove your volume from your clip before you use voice record. Tap on record, and here you can record over any clip. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Checkmark to save. For your tracks, your effects, and your recording, you can also split. Edit your voice clip, change the volume, fade in or fade out. Duplicate. Press down and move your music, your recording, or your effects around anywhere that you would like. And use the check mark to save your work. Add a sticker, text, or emoji simply by clicking on the option. add a photo from your phone. You can also add a photo from other places and other apps that you use on your phone. Add a sticker. Add text. For your sticker, your text, or your emojis, you can do the following. Use a two-headed arrow. You can move your sticker, your text, or your emojis anywhere around on your canvas. You can make it bigger or smaller. You can also edit. By using the color wheel, you can change the color of your text, your border width, and also your border color. Your label. Your label color. Your font. Alignment inside of the box. You can also use the sliding scale here to make your text bigger or smaller, and also space between your letters and space between your words. For your stickers, you can do the exact same thing that you did with your text. You can also flip your sticker. For your sticker and your text, you can also use basic movements, different animations, and also change the opacity for your text and your sticker. You can set a duration your sticker or your text. Tap on your sticker or your text. The first flap is the video beginning, clip beginning. The second flap is video end, clip end. And you can also use your finger and increase the length of your sticker or your text through using these two flaps on either side. Split, delete, copy, or duplicate. Press down, you can move your text or your stickers to any other place on your canvas. Filter effect. Glitch.
You can create content for your Facebook.
Check out the different effects and see which one is relevant to your video. Style. Distort. Flip. Mirror. Scan. Scan each. Fisheye. Swirl. And wave. To take out an effect, use the circle with a line. Choose the check mark to save. Filter. Cinema. Moss. Orange. Any other filter that you would like, choose the check mark. And also you can adjust. This is for people who are more experienced, who want to adjust the contrast, the warmth, the tints, saturation. and other different options. Your split, you can split anywhere that you would like. And when you see these two flaps open, you can delete. Your background, you can use the blur. You can pinch to zoom in and zoom out and move your picture on the canvas. A photo from recent, from your camera, from downloads, from Facebook you have on your phone. You can also use a color for your background, a gradient for your background, or a pattern for your background. Change the speed. For people who speak a little bit slower, like myself, speed up your film or slow down your film. You can also crop by using these boxes that you will find outside of the picture. And if you decide to crop, what you crop is what you will see. As an example, change the volume, duplicate any film clip, click on the reverse. If you want to reverse a clip, rotate, flip from side to side, or freeze. Then when you're done, click save and share to your Facebook stories. So I hope this has been helpful to you in creating your content the fastest, easiest, and most cost-efficient way possible. I do use the Inshot Editor Pro. However, you can use the free version and do just as good of a job. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and have a wonderful evening.